Welcome to the video. So I am about to hit the gym. I'm hitting the gym with my sister here in a little bit. Did a lot of online marketing stuff this morning. Just had breakfast, which I have every single day, is egg whites, avocado, turkey bacon, and a protein waffle on the side. So gonna do some backs and buys. Don't really have any clients today, so it's been a pretty chill day. Got a lot of work done this morning, and yeah, gonna kill it in the gym. Gonna do a little bit of cardio. Gonna stir together some pre-workout right now. I think we're gonna do the Ghost Warheads sour watermelon stuff. And then I think too, since I haven't had a whole lot to eat today, it's like 1 o'clock, I'm gonna have some BCAAs too. I honestly, the only reason I do this is not because I want to like build a ton of muscle, but just to like fill my water bottle up with some flavor. So we're gonna do this, hit this workout, and then we'll see if I'll adjust my sister later because she's been having some rib pain. That's not what she said, but from her symptoms, that's what I think it is. Generally when people, it's always the same with rib stuff. It's always like the same pain, the same type of place, just the same symptoms. So it's pretty easy to diagnose and then really easy to take care of most of the time. Sometimes they can be stubborn though, that's for sure. And they're painful. They suck. They suck. Alright. So got that mixed up. Also, I take 5 grams of creatine every single day. And I usually just take that straight to the dome. I don't mix it in here, but... Alright, so I will take you guys along for the workout. I'm not going to show you the whole workout and bore you to death. But stick around for the end because I will put the adjusting stuff in there. So stay tuned for that later. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for checking in. I appreciate you guys. Alright, let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the voiceover portion of this video. I wasn't going to do this, but I thought I haven't talked to you guys in a while, and I have some new subscribers, so welcome. And like I said, I worked out with my younger sister today. She's a personal trainer, and she is very good at what she does. So we started out this pull workout with 50 pull-ups, and I told her however many sets it takes you to get to 50, that's what you do. So generally we'd get like 10 to 15 reps per set, so about 5 reps total to get to 50. And I just like starting out the workout with pull-ups because you're fresh, and it's just a good activation warm up into the workout. So then we moved on to this back superset where she'll show it here, but you start with one arm across the body, do 10 reps that way, then use the other arm, and then do both arms. But I thought I'd touch on the topic of chiropractic. I am a licensed chiropractor in Minnesota, and I am currently on my own, solo. I'm working for myself, and I absolutely love it. And I'm working on getting into my own space, warehouse space. It's taking a little bit of time, but unfortunately that's just how it goes. It's kind of a waiting game sometimes. But so currently I am seeing patients either from my house or I travel to see people while my warehouse stuff is getting set up. But my clinic is not going to be the typical average chiropractic clinic you think of. You're not gonna walk in and it's like an office with a bunch of rooms. No, I want to do something that I want to do that I love, which is working out in chiropractic. So it's basically gonna be a gym. Like you walk in and it's all gym equipment, and then like the fourth back of the warehouse is where I treat people. So I do adjustments, chiropractic work, Graston, cupping, muscle work, rehab, mobility stuff, anything to just get people moving better and feeling better. So I am super excited to finally get into that warehouse space and start working and killing it. But back to the workout. We did some biceps, a little superset here with the cable one-arm bicep curls. And then immediately we moved on to some banded bicep curls. We did a lot more like body weight stuff, which I generally don't do. She does more of. But it was a nice change of pace. It's actually a lot harder than it looks. And then we did some rear delts here too with the TRX bands, which was really nice. I like that a lot. And I usually do rear delts like 3 times a week. I think it's a very neglected body part, and I think it's important to train because it helps to get your shoulders back, which everyone needs. But these next upcoming clips are a little adjustment clips, and I'm showing how you can pretty much adjust someone anywhere. Now, I'm not suggesting that you just adjust anyone you see in the gym, but I just kind of wanted to show something different. So thank you for checking out this video. Give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Last one for the haters.
I'm out of breath. Are we live? Okay guys, we just finished up a killer workout. Killa K kicked my butt. She is an amazing trainer. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below or in the video somewhere. But I'm gonna show you guys that you can really adjust people anywhere. So she was complaining of a little bit of back pain, so I'm like, let's just get you adjusted right now on this little bench. So that's what we're gonna do. Enjoy. You good? So we're pretty much gonna do it through her thoracics and then into her neck.
Sorry. You want me to leave the lights off?
Yeah, that's fine.
I didn't even know how to turn them up.
Woo! Do you want your low back too?
Sure.
Now this side posture is a little bit more difficult because it's so thin. Push up here. Did you feel that?
No.
Do a little pull on your leggies.
Oh, by the way, just for a day or something, and like adjust people like.
How do you feel?
I feel like $1 million.
Sweet.